So they still have all the salo-salo Sutukil up here where you have fresh seafood cooked. Di, matanaw ra ko ma'am kay manamig kaon. You got fresh lobster. Fresh shellfish, scallops, crabs, shell, seaweeds. So you can have it all cooked. Like the menu that they have on the wall. And then you can eat there, over there in the restaurant overlooking the Magellan Bay. So this is one of the restaurants here in behind the Mactan Shrine. Although there's a few here like Fred's Sutukil, they got the same concept, fresh seafoods, they cook it for you with vegetables, and then you dine it there in their restaurants overlooking the Magellan Bay. So this one is got a big fish tank. Although it's not functioning, but they have fish. So you can see the fresh fish they're getting ready for tonight. The shellfish. We call that, sige, tawagan ito. Halaan. Tambayong. And saang. Pilang saang di ba?
280 ang kilo mo.
So saang is 280. Then you got the scallop meat, crabs, seaweeds. And they have the crabs here in their tanks. Live crabs. So you can see it's moving there. Even though it's tied up. So when you have your food cooked, you can pick up from the live crabs on the tanks, and then they cook it for you, and they eat, and you eat there overlooking the Pwede mo tanaw dito, ma'am? Huh? So you can see the restaurants inside. They got their kitchen here where they do the cooking. They have it there. And these are like the big functioning one. And then you can, that's the view. That you can see when you dine here. So the tide is now very low. You see all the water now is gone. All you can see is the little crabs crawling. And over there, all dried up, going to the Magellan Bay. So this is the concept of these restaurants here. You order it fresh. So the crabs are even still moving, and then they cook it for you, and you dine it here, overlooking this mangrove area behind the Magellan Bay. So this is the Sutukil restaurants in Mactan Shrine. So if you are new here to Cebu, or especially here in Mactan, this is one place you can try our seafood catch from the sea here in Mactan. And they will cook it here in their kitchen. And before you go in, you can choose your seafood here in front of the restaurant. The name of this place is Fred's Sutukil. Since 1990, it is located in Mactan Shrine. You can see there are a neighborhood around here, and this is Salo Sutukil. And you go through the souvenir area outside the Mactan Shrine. Yes, t-shirts. And there's another one there, the Mana Sutukil and the No Problem Sutukil. So there's two in this one. No Problem Sutukil and the Mana Sutukil. The same concept, you choose seafood. And you got all the souvenir shops still outside the Mactan Shrine. The Mactan Shrine's here. And this is the souvenir shops. So you got the mango with bagoong, because Filipinos like their green mangoes with bagoong, the shrimp paste, and the guitars, of course. Guitars for sale.